Hi everybody, it's Carol from Carol's Vintage Treasures, and I have a Goodwill Bluebox unboxing today. I went ahead and got the 10 pounds of wholesale plush box. It's DIY, repurposing, crafting, vending, dog and pet toys, and design. So some of these may need a little work done to them. Some of them may need a little mending or cleaning. But it was $19.99 plus $5 shipping for a 10-pound box of plush. And as you may or may not know, I have a plush store on Etsy, Carol's. It's vintage plush stuff, and I'll put the link down below if you want to take a look at it and also see the things that I've sold. You just click on solds and it'll show you everything I've sold so far. My plush shop is kind of new, so there's not as many sales as my vintage store, but I am getting there. I'm making some pretty good sales on there. So this is the box. It is a 15 by 15 by 15, and I did not weigh it, but it feels like about 10 pounds. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's in here. See if we got anything really great for my store. I figure at the very least I can maybe give some to Holly, or I can donate them if they're not that great. Or I don't mind doing a little elbow grease work if they need to be cleaned up or mended. All right. So here's what it looks like at first glance. It's very challenging for me to do videos in this little room, so please be patient with me. Okay. So, I see some promising things just glancing. I see what could be a giraffe. I see what could be a teddy bear and maybe Spider-Man. And I see some Christmas in there too. So let's just see what we can find, okay? All right, here's the giraffe with his booty sticking out. His neck's kind of wonkers. But sometimes you can adjust the stuffing and fix that. What is he? He is a Gantz. So that's a good one. He's awfully cute. Very nice. Okay, let's get this big old guy out of the way. Oh, he's kind of old, vintagey looking. Let's see what he is. He does not have, oh wait, Sterling Promotional Corp. By Matrix Essentials. Sorry, my eyes are not what they used to be. I should probably get glasses, but that's not going to happen for a while. So he's cute. I think he's probably vintage. He needs a little cleaning, but that's okay. Here's his little paws. Feels like his feet and hands are weighted, like probably with some little beanies. But he's awfully cute. He'd make a good new friend for somebody. Here's a little polar bear Christmas guy. And these do sell. They don't sell for a whole lot, but especially right now with Christmas, people are looking for stocking stuffers and things like that. It says it's by Krista Playful Plush. He's pretty clean. So what I usually do with my stuffed animals is I steam them and I let them sit and dry. And the ones that need to be washed, I'll put in the washing machine and stain treat them. Let them dry. Never put them in the dryer. I'm not sure who he is. I'm not really up on my cartoons lately, but I'm sure he's somebody important. I'm trying to see. Pete the cat dog. Pete the cat dog. That's interesting. My battery's running low on my laptop, so hopefully it doesn't go out before I finish my video, because then my lighting will be gone. This is a Grund. It looks like new with tags. Very nice moose. That will absolutely sell this time of year. Very nice. I like that one. Oh, cute little monkey. Isn't he cute? His hands are attached together, like sewn together. He is very, very cute. It looks like he's got a Valentine stuff around his neck. So he was probably a Valentine plushie. Ariel bouquets. So maybe he came with a box of candy in there or something. Very nice. Very clean. I like the nice clean ones because then I don't know what this is. It says Disney on it. Let's see if I can get more information. Manufactured and licensed by Just Play. He's got an emblem of some sort on his arm. Surface clean only. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know. It doesn't give me much information. But I will definitely look him up. He looks like he might have had something on his chest that was removed. But we will definitely give that a look. Let's see what we can find out. There's a cute little elephant. He looks like he was Valentine-y too. You know, Valentine's Day is not that far away, so I'm sure these will sell. Oh, I see a big one here. I know they like to filter in big ones sometimes. It takes up a lot of space, but oh, isn't he cute? He is very sweet and soft. What is he? Seems to be very well made. It's a Gund. Of course, I could tell. He's very sweet. I like him. Oh, there's something fuzzy and furry. Oh, it's a horse. That's interesting. He's in a very nice pose there. It says Only Hearts Club. Only Hearts Club, as opposed to Lonely Hearts. I mean, he's in pretty good shape. He's got his long mane and his nice tail, and he's got pose on his leg there. What else we got here? Oh, I know this guy. He's the Paw Patrol, isn't he? My grandkids are older, so I don't watch cartoons that much. Let's see. I think he's from Paw Patrol. This is Nickelodeon on it. And he's kind of a mesh material. Very cute. And he's got a little hangy thing up here. Very nice. Oh, you got a lot to go. Here's a cute little bear. Aww. Isn't she sweet? It's got a little bow in her hair. That is very, very cute. Snowflake Teddy. Snowflake Teddy is what it's called. Isn't that sweet? And it's pretty clean too. It looks like it's new. It's still got the hook on it. I like that. Holly's laying over there if you hear noises. Here's another Valentine bear. He's cute. He's nice and clean. And he's made by Dandy which is a really good brand. So I like that. He had some schmutz on his face, but he's fine. Hey there! Holly loves stuffed animals. I'm surprised she's staying away from here. Aw, this is sweet. Look at that. Hey, we got a pretty good box. Wild Republic. They make good stuffed animals. So that's pretty cute. Little pony. Look at that. This is a great box so far. More Valentines, which is fine with me. He's a cute little frog, and he says love. Look at his feet. Very nice. These are all really good stuffed animals. Dandy again. We got lucky. Looks like there's only little ones left except for this one. Oh, he's cute. Little reindeer. He's got Velcro in his hands, and you're not supposed to use Velcro as a listing word or description, because that is copyrighted and that will get your listing removed and tagged, and it can get you suspended too. This is G. Mosen. Very, very cute. Just in time for Christmas. I don't see any really bad ones. Here's a cute little puppy. Isn't he cute? And this one is 2013 Animal Adventure Incorporated. Nice and clean, soft and furry. Just a few more little ones here. I'll bring them all out. We got Christmas bear. You make a cute little stocking stuffer. What you can do if you get little ones is group them together in a lot. This one says squeeze animals. You're supposed to squeeze them. Here's a Spider-Man ball. That's the Spider-Man I saw in there. It's from Hallmark. Very cute. And here's the last one. It's another Paw Patrol. And this is Chase. Really cute. Man, we got a fabulous box. I'm happy with this. And it was $19.99, $5 shipping. So it was 24 something altogether. But very, very good box. Let's see if we can count how many we got here. Okay. I'll show them to you again as I count them. I shouldn't have put all these in there. Someday I'll have a big house and a mansion, and I'll have a studio. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You hear the vacuum cleaner. My roommate is vacuuming. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's like, if you don't add shipping in there, $19.99, that's like $1 a piece. So that's really great. Very good cost of goods. And I'm gonna lose my light. It's okay. I think I have enough light to finish up from my overhead light. So that's all I have for today. I have another box coming, which is a shoe box. We'll see how that is. I can sell that on my Poshmark store. But that's all I have. Please like this video if you like these kind of things, so I know, there goes my light, so I know you guys like them. I'll keep making them. Please comment down below, let me know which one your favorite was, and like, subscribe, and share if you want to. You could share it with people who might like this kind of content. I'm really happy with this box. I think it's great. I'll probably order another one and do another video. But that's all I have for right now. Be sure to subscribe if you like reselling content. We would love to have you as a member of the family here. And I'm going to do more shopping videos, more unboxing videos, things like that. That's it. So I'm going to say goodbye for now. Thank you for watching, and happy thrifting.